Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Mathematics Infinity Goals. In case you are new, hi, I am Pratidnya and I make lot of math videos. In this lecture we will discuss new property of a Laplace transformation, and that property is effect of a division by t. Okay, so its statement is if L of ft is equal to phi of s, that is Laplace of f of t is equal to phi of s, then we have to prove here Laplace of f of t upon t is equal to integration s to infinity phi of s ds. ओके, सो हा थेरम प्रूव्ह करण्यासाठी आपण मॅक्सिमम काय अजम्पशन करू शकतो दॅट दिस कंडिशन दॅट इज वी हॅव अ लॅपलास ऑफ एफ ऑफ टी, and in lecture number 1 we have already discussed about definition of L of f of t, that is definition of Laplace transformation. Then what is it? Then its value is L of ft is equal to integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus st f of t dt. Now with the help of this given condition, L of ft is equal to how much? Phi of s. That means this integral value also equal to how much? Phi of s, because L of ft equal to phi of s, then we can write this L of ft equal to phi of s. That means this integral value equal to phi of s. Now we will denote this equation as equation number 1. So आता तरी झाली व्हॅल्यू कशाची? phi of s. बट phi of s वरती आर एच एसमध्ये आपल्याला हे प्रूव्ह करायचं होतं किंवा हा टोटल कंडिशन आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करायचं आहे. बट आर एच एसमध्ये phi of s वरती इंटिग्रेशन काय आहे? फ्रॉम एस टू इन्फिनिटी. देअरफॉर phi of s ची व्हॅल्यू आता आपण ऑब्टेन केली आहे आणि या phi of s च्या दोन्ही साईडच्या व्हॅल्यूवरती आता आपण इंटिग्रेशन एस टू इन्फिनिटी ही रेंज अप्लाय करून घेऊया. सो इंटिग्रेट बोथ साइड्स विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एस फ्रॉम एस टू इन्फिनिटी. सो दॅट इम्प्लाइज इंटिग्रेशन एस टू इन्फिनिटी phi of s ds इज इक्वल टू, ही व्हॅल्यू आहे ती आपण एल एच एसला लिहून घेतली आणि सिमिलरली आर एच एस वरती व्हॅल्यू दॅट इज इंटिग्रेशन कुठून असेल? एस टू इन्फिनिटी, दॅट इज दिस इंटिग्रेशन, अँड देन वी कॅन राईट दिस ओरिजिनल इंटिग्रेशन दॅट इज ओरिजिनल व्हॅल्यू दॅट इज 0 टू इन्फिनिटी e raised to minus st into f of t into this dt. Okay, this is the integration and we are integrating both sides with respect to s, therefore this integral value is ds with respect to ds. Okay, now to solve this RHS we will do one thing, that is interchange of this integration. We will take this integration 0 to infinity outside and we will put this integration s to infinity inside. So we will get here integration 0 to infinity in integration s to infinity, and that implies e raised to minus st into this function f of t. Actually f of t is a constant, because when we take s integration from s to infinity, that time that integration must be with respect to ds, that is with respect to s. Okay, that time f of t will be constant and this dt will be outside of this integration. Now calculate this integration, that when we try to solve this term, that means here f of t is a constant, therefore take it as outside from that term, and remaining integration is s to infinity. Okay, e raised to minus st into ds and into काय असेल this dt. नाउ सॉल्व करूया दिस इंटिग्रेशन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एस, म्हणजे जिथे जिथे फंक्शन एस आहे तिथे टी हा व्हेरिएबल त्या वेळेला काय असेल? कॉन्स्टंट ट्रीट करेल, and remaining elements will be same, that is 0 to infinity f of t, we will take it as it is. Now solve this integration, that is e raised to minus ts. Why this is? Because s is a variable and t is a constant term, and e raised to something, its integration is e raised to minus ts divided by this minus t, and its bounds are s to infinity into this dt. Okay, now solve this integration like this, that is 0 to infinity. Okay, and my first value, that is f of t, we will write it as it is, that is f of t. When we put this upper limit in place of s, that is e raised to minus infinity, but we have already know that e raised to minus infinity equal to 0. When we put lower limit, then write its a negative sign, then we can write this s, that is put s in place of s, then remaining value is e raised to minus ts divided by this minus t as it is into this dt. We will take it as it is. Now solve just little bit, this minus into minus will become plus, and this integration 0 to infinity, we will write this function firstly, that is e raised to minus st into this f of t into this dt, and this function f of t divided by this variable t, that is divided by t. And now compare this answer with our given condition, that is given definition. When we have a integration like this, that is integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus st into f of t dt, then its answer will be L of ft, that is here function is strictly in t variable, that is f of t, that means इथे सुद्धा काय असणार आहे Laplace transformation of f of t. Now we have obtained new value, that is f of t divided by t, and integration both are same, that is integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus st into this dt, and now we have a function as a f of t upon t, that means its integral value becomes Laplace transformation of f of t divided by this t, and this is your answer. Hence we have obtained this Laplace transformation, that is Laplace of f of t upon t equal to integration s to infinity phi of s ds. Thank you. If you like my videos, please like, subscribe and share.